Imagine you're a project manager juggling a dozen tasks, clients, and deadlines. How do you keep everything organized, track progress, and ensure everyone's on the same page? That's where Paymo comes in. Paymo is a powerful project management tool that simplifies the way teams collaborate and get work done. It offers a suite of features designed to streamline your workflow, improve efficiency, and boost productivity. Diving into the features, let's take a closer look at how Paymo works. Task management. Create tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and track progress in real time. Use subtasks to break down larger projects into smaller, more manageable chunks. Prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency. Time tracking. Accurately record the time spent on each task using Paymo's built-in timer. Generate detailed reports to analyze project performance and identify bottlenecks. Track billable hours and generate invoices with ease. Team collaboration. Create shared workspaces and invite team members to collaborate on projects. Communicate effectively using built-in chat and commenting features. Assign roles and permissions to manage access and control. Resource management. Allocate resources efficiently and avoid overbooking. Track team members' availability and capacities. Optimize resource utilization to maximize productivity. Project planning. Create Gantt charts to visualize project timelines and dependencies. Set milestones and track progress against key performance indicators, KPIs. Identify potential risks and develop mitigation strategies. Reporting and analytics. Generate customizable reports to track project performance and identify areas for improvement. Analyze time tracking data to optimize resource allocation. Measure team productivity and identify bottlenecks. Visual demonstration. Throughout the script, use screen recordings or animations to visually demonstrate the features and functionality of Paymo. Show how to create tasks, assign them to team members, track time, and generate reports. Benefits of using Paymo. Summarize the key benefits of using Paymo, such as increased efficiency, improved collaboration, better project visibility, and enhanced decision-making. Addressing common questions. Anticipate and address common questions or concerns about Paymo, such as pricing, integration with other tools, and security. Paymo is a versatile project management tool that can help teams of all sizes streamline their workflows and achieve their goals. By effectively managing tasks, tracking time, collaborating with team members, and analyzing project performance, you can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and deliver projects on time and within budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.